How to play Hollow Knight on iOS. In this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to play Hollow Knight using your iOS device. So everybody knows that Hollow Knight is actually not available in Apple Store. So what you want to have to do is just simply open up any available browser that you can use on your iOS device, and from the search box, type in Plex Store. Now this is what it should look like. From here, all you have to do is to swipe to your right, and you just need to look for a free certificate, for example this one right here. Now just simply tap on get it. The next thing you want to do is to click the share button, then from shares scroll down once again and add to home screen. Choose on add, and then you just need to manually install Flex Store. Once you've successfully installed Flex Store, Hollow Knight is actually available and free on that specific application store. That will work like just an Apple Store. You can simply download and install it without any problem. And that is how you play Hollow Knight on iOS.